If I was looking to hire an accountant and I had a choice between someone that was very skilled in tax, contrast that with someone that is a great communicator, a great people person, maybe a little weaker in tax, I'll hire that great people person any day over the other one. If it's an entry-level position, I don't look at the resume for experience. I look at the resume for work ethic. Did somebody work while they went to school? Did somebody join organizations in high school or college? We don't always require a college degree either. How long are they staying at each job? I don't want to hire a job hopper. But if I'm hiring someone who this is their first accounting job, I'm also going to put more stock into the interview than the resume. But the resume is important because I want to have an idea for their work ethic. Now, if I'm hiring somebody for maybe a little bit higher level of an accounting job, then I'm going to look at the resume for what kind of accounting experience they have, as well as has their career been progressing upwards in terms of responsibilities and pay, because I want somebody for whom my job is going to be a step up in responsibility and pay. I don't want to hire someone that's going backwards in their career or making a lateral move. If I was looking to hire an accountant and I had a choice between someone that was very skilled in tax, but if they couldn't communicate well, if they didn't want to talk to people and just wanted to sit at a computer and do tax work, contrast that with someone that is a great communicator, a great people person, maybe a little weaker in tax, I'll hire that great people person any day over the other one because we can improve a person's tax skills. We can't change behavioral traits, personality traits, or communication traits of any human being. It can't be done. So I would rather hire for those things and teach and train on the skills than hire for the skills and then wish I hadn't hired because the personality and the communication is bad. That's called hiring people for who they are and not for what they know, because if you hire them for what they know only, then you might end up firing them later for who they are. A red flag when hiring people in an accounting firm is if I don't feel good about them being able to make my clients feel good about them, I don't want to hire them. So that, they have to have a personality and a means of communication that's going to work. Other red flags would be if they have a criminal record that it would include things like embezzling or, any kind of money-related crimes. Another red flag is changing employment too often. 7 jobs in 6 years or something like that. I'd like to see people working minimum of 3 years, but hopefully much more than that with each job that they've been at. A pet peeve about other owners of accounting firms is that I get asked my advice sometimes about how to recruit, hire, train, and retain employees because I have a pretty good track record with it. I stress to other accountants and other owners of accounting firms to focus mostly on personality and communication skills and less on accounting and tax skills, because those can be trained and improved. And still, I see people hiring only on the skills and not on the other traits. Inevitably, they have more staff turnover than I do, and they complain about their people. I know one that recently that she has new accountants that don't even last a week or two.